The Rake Riddle Bucket means you can get a much wider audience, helps you to upsell and stand out from your competition. A Rake Riddle Bucket isn't a common attachment that you would expect a plant hire company to have on their fleet, but it is something that does get asked for quite regularly and could help you stand out against your competition by offering something that wouldn't be necessarily a standard product to have available, but there is a big market for it. I can understand it if you say you can't justify the cost of having a land rake and a riddle bucket on your fleet. You could buy them and they might not go out on hire very often, so the utilisation wouldn't be that high. So this is where the Rake Riddle Bucket comes into its own. It acts like a riddle bucket. It's shaped so it can collect up the dirt or the aggregate and you can riddle it. And then the tines that are exposed beyond the end of the lip plate acts like the rake. So it's a perfect product where you've got a landscaper that's having to leave a plot that has to be landscape ready. So this is definitely the product that could make you stand out above your competitors. It's perfect bucket really for the likes of landscapers, DIY work on your garden or sorting out your driveway. It would be perfect for groundwork companies when they're having to leave the plot landscape ready. It's a good general clearance tool as well. So when you've got civil engineers that are going onto a site and they've got to clear an area for a concrete pad or something like that, this is a perfect product for that. So if you want to find out how Rhinox can help you with other buckets or attachments, go to our website or click on our YouTube channel.